Hindi na nagpaligoy-ligoy pa si Senate Minority Leader Vicente Sotto III. Binutata niya ang Senate Majority Leader kung bakit hindi sinunod ang Supreme Court decision para sa pagpili at sa nominasyon ng mga magiging miyembro ng Commission on Appointments.
If this body elects to follow the Supreme Court decision on the articles of impeachment, why can't they follow the decision of the Supreme Court when it comes to the computation of membership in the Commission on Appointments?
10 kasi ang napili mula sa mayorya para maging miyembro ng CA at dadalawang pwesto na lang ang mapupunta sa minority, bagay na hindi raw ikinonsulta sa minorya nang magdesisyon ang majority leader.
Ngayon biglang titindig itong majority leader na biglang he will be ramming down our throats 10 members of the majority all of a sudden. We're expecting more cooperation and more better treatment for the minority because we're trying to our best to treat you as well because we can make it harder for you if this is what you want.
Katwiran na Senator Joel Villanueva, binase sa bilang ng mayorya at minorya sa Senado ang pagpili ng inonominang miyembro ng CA. Pero malinaw ayon kay Soto ang desisyon ng SC na dapat ibatay sa porsyento kada partido politikal ang itatalaga sa CA.
Hindi po ako magmamagaling-galingan or magsasabing eksperto dito. But nais ko, Mr. President, na isubmit itong aking posisyon sa body, Mr. President, at maging sa mga kasama natin dito sa bulwagang ito, Mr. President.
Mr. President, di ko pwedeng sabihin yung laman ng Constitution ng parties, organizations sa meaning majority and minority. That is a very poor interpretation, Mr. President. Ang linaw eh.
Binalikan din ni Soto si Villanueva kung bakit sa mga simpleng issue ay kinukonsulta ang minorya. Pero ang hatian sa CA membership na isang napakahalagang komite ni hindi sila kinausap.
We were expecting, the simple respect to the members of the minority na kinakausap naman kami. Hindi kami salimpusa dito. We can make this easy for you and we can make it also difficult for you. We leave it up to you, Mr. President. My objection stands. I don't think we should continue with the election until we have discussed this properly, Mr. President.
Para mapahupa ang tensyon, iminungkahi ni Senator Alan Peter Cayetano na idaan sa diplomasya ang issue. At nagboluntaryo na muna siyang iatras ang kanyang pangalan bilang isa sa 10 nominado para sa CA.
May I ask that my name be withdrawn as a nominee for the CA so that the 9 other members from the majority may be confirmed by the session today, but I will withdraw for today, and then maybe in a day or two the minority will be able to also with us come up with a consensus on the right representation of the 12-member 12-man and woman contingent of the Senate, plus, of course, the Senate President as the chair of the Commission on Appointments.
With the manifestation of the former speaker and the gentleman from Taguig, Mr. President, I will withdraw my objection.
We thank Senator Cayetano for his magnanimity and as well as thank the distinguished Minority Floor Leader for his understanding and patience.
Siyam mula sa mayorya ang nahalal na CA member kaya naging 3 na ang bakanting pwesto laan para sa minorya ng Senado.
So ito lang po ang ating news update ngayon mga kadiyo, and please comment down below kung ano ang masasabi nyo sa video na ito, and please makisupport naman ang ating Facebook page para magpatuloy pa tayo sa paggawa ng bagong news update. Maraming salamat po at magandang araw.